Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you RetroSnap Play handheld retro gaming console. So, RetroSnap Play is a handheld retro gaming device that comes preloaded with over 20,000 classic games, playable offline with no Wi-Fi required. Now, that's according to their website. Now, the site describes it as a portable and durable with up to 10 plus hours of battery life on a charge. Now it's available in two storage options: 64 GB listed as holding around 20k games, and or around 128 GB listed as holding around 40,000 games, and in black, white, purple color options. Now, how do you exactly use this? Now, the device is actually designed for straightforward pick up and play use. You just need to power it on, browse the preloaded game library, select the title to start playing, and without needing an internet connection or additional setup here, the site includes a searchable game list where the specific title can be checked against what's preloaded before ordering. Now, general care guidance mentioned on the site includes basic battery charging tips to extend device longevity over time. And as for the pricing itself, well, a single unit is listed at around $69.90, marked down from the usual $124.90, and at a 40% discount if you're going to calculate that. And a duo or two unit bundle is listed at around $64.99 per unit, down from the usual $124.90 each, a 45% discount. With free shipping, optional add-ons include a travel case, which is $15.25, down from the $26.51 usual pricing, and a protective glass screen here protector around $10.16, down from the $15.25 dollars usual pricing. Now, the site includes a 1-year warranty and states hassle-free returns within 30 days. Now, the company is listed with addresses in London, England, and Indiana, USA, and states it was started in 2024. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.